So this is day one of me tracking my progress. For the past few days, I've been trying to learn Google Ads and Google Search Ads, YouTube Ads, and other type of Google Ads services that there is. The tools I've been using are Skillshop, Google's online school for Google Ads, and so far I've been able to get my certificate for Google Search Ads, and I passed the certificate. So how this works is once you have your Gmail, you can sign up for Skillshop and you'll be able to start for free learning Google Ads from Google themselves, the people and the creator of the platform Google Ads. What better way to learn, right? So I started with search ads. And currently I'm done with search ads and I'm learning YouTube ads. So after after each of the models, you go to the next model and the next model, and finally the certification program where you learn everything you have learned in the previous model, just like a revision and more. Also, you'll be able to take a certification so that you can get a certificate that is valid for 1 year. So for you to come to Skillshop, all you have to do on your browser, whatever browser you're using, I'm using the Microsoft Edge, your browser, just go to your Google page. If you're using the Chrome, you can search for Skillshop directly from this page, but I'm using Microsoft Edge, so it will not take me to Google page, it will take me to Bing instead. So whichever browser you're using, just go to the Google search page and search for Skillshop. As you can see, it appears here on the first search, Google Skillshop. So this is the Skillshop with Google, free Google Ads training for anybody that wants to learn Google Ads. So I've been able to finish my search ads training. Whoa. It was tough because I failed the certification like 3 times, I guess. I failed the certification like 3 times, and at the last try I was able to pass. For you to pass, you need at least 80%. You need to answer 40 questions correctly. It's a 50 question for 125 minutes. So once you come to Skillshop, this is the interface that you're going to get in Skillshop. All you have to do is tap on sign in. As long as you have a Gmail, it's easier for you to access Skillshop, and it's 100% free. You don't need to pay for any Google Ads course. And this is what I want to use to learn Google Ads and eventually get gigs on Google Ads. I've been doing Facebook ads for a while and had some 1 or 2 run-ins and gigs with Facebook ads. Also had some 1 or 2 results for myself. So let's just log in my email. So I just have to select the email that I want to log in. We have like several emails here, and I'll select one of them. Select one of the emails that I want to log in with. Allow it to load for a while. So Google would give you different learning paths and learning options. So as you can see, I finished the Google search ads and the certifications. As you can see, this check mark here indicates that I finished it. I stopped to do this one, this explore search ad optimization best practices, because it was the same thing as this optimized Google search ad campaign. So optimization is the same thing. That's why I stopped it. So I've gotten my certificate for Google Ads and Google Search Ads, and I have moved to Google Video. As you can see, I'm in create and manage Google Ads video campaigns, and it's going to take another 434. This 434, that's 10 hours, 11 hours. It's going to take another 14 hours approximately to complete this Google video ads course. Video ads is YouTube ads ultimately, and that's it. So there are other places, there are other things that you can learn if you click on browse. If you click on browse, there are other things that you can learn. You can learn Google Analytics, you can learn Google My Business, you can learn YouTube, you got Google Ad Manager, you can learn Google Ad Manager, Ways, Fundamentals, e-learning. You can learn Authorized Buyers, Android Enterprise. Like Google has like a full course for most of their programs that they have. So if I click on Google Ads, you can see that I can learn other ads. So as you can see, Google Ads certification, apply your Google Ads knowledge, build upon your ads. After learning, you can also apply practice, set up practice Google Ads campaigns here. There's Google search ads, there's Google discovery ads. So I've done search ads and I'm doing video ads, after which I'm going to do discovery and display. Then I'll move to shopping ads. So there's Google Ads for apps. That's the last one I'm going to be looking at. There's performance marks, there's privacy, Google offline sales, Google Insight. All of these are Google courses that you can take, and trust me, they are freaking rigorous. They are really, really rigorous. So to aid you, you can start with Google search ads and video ads and top them up with YouTube. So on YouTube, I recommend you to follow Senator We Run Ads. Is one of the best channels out there that can teach you Google Ads step by step for free. So this is his Google Ads course, Senator We Run Ads, Google Ads course. Let's move this out of the way. So let me pause this and wait for the page to load. These are let's skip the ad. So this is Senator We Run Ads. As you guys see, I've already started it, but I'm going to continue it after I have finished. This is Google Ads course 2022 updated. I'm going to finish it after I have finished the YouTube ads that I'm currently doing with Skillshop. So all you have to do is come to the search bar here and search for Senator We Run Ads. Let me take this to the bottom corner. So come to the search bar here and search for Senator We Run Ads. Just, this is it, Senator We Run Ads, and subscribe to his channel. When you do that, go to his channel. You can just go to the channel and look for the videos. So once you come to his channel here, the home page of his channel, tap on playlist. Tap on playlist, you're going to find several playlists that he has created. So as you can see, there are several playlists. Let me cancel this one. There are several playlists he has created, and one of the top playlists is the Google Ads course with 16 videos in it, over 8 hours of really visual content that you can add to your Skillshop skills that you have acquired and learn. So Skillshop is just going to give you certificate, even if most of the time certificate is not really important, because people just want to know what you have done, and you can use the practice part of the Skillshop here, apply your Google Ads knowledge to create portfolios that you can show to prospective clients that want to work with you. So I think this can help you start your Google Ads journey if you are like me. So this is day one of my Google Ads journey. Even if I have finished search ads, this video is going to serve as day one, and I want you to follow me in my journey to eventually landing my first clients for Google Ads. My name is Ibidabo Jonah, and I want you to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share with your friends that are interested in learning Google Ads from the top people in the industry, which is Skillshop by Google and Senator. We run ads on YouTube. So as you can see, Senator will run ads. He has 103,000 subscribers, and it was one of Google's licensed tutors that helps to teach Google performance marks and Google ads to Google students. So click the subscribe button and see you in day 2 of my journey.